result of the instructions encoded in your genes. Section 6. Tiny changes, big impacts, gene mutations. Now, sometimes mistakes can happen when DNA is copied, kind of like a typo in a recipe. These mistakes are called mutations, and they can change the instructions encoded within a gene. Most mutations are harmless, but some can lead to changes in traits or even cause diseases. Think of it like this. If you accidentally switch a letter in a word, it might not change the meaning, or it might make the word nonsensical. Similarly, a mutation in a gene might have no effect, or it might change the way the gene functions. Mutations are a natural part of life, and they're actually the driving force behind evolution. They introduce variation into a population, and over time, beneficial mutations can become more common. It's a fascinating process. Section 7. The power of understanding genes and the future. Understanding how genes work has revolutionized the way we approach medicine and healthcare. Scientists are now developing gene therapies that aim to treat or even cure genetic disorders by correcting faulty genes. It's like editing a typo in the blueprint of life. And that's not all. Genetic testing can help us identify individuals who are at risk for certain diseases, allowing for early interventions and personalized treatment plans. The possibilities are truly remarkable. By unraveling the mysteries of the genome, we're gaining a deeper understanding of ourselves and the incredible complexity of life. Section 8. Genes aren't everything. The role of environment. Now, it's important to remember that genes aren't the only factor that shapes who we are. The environment we live in, the choices we make, and the experiences we have all play a crucial role in shaping our traits and our lives. Think of it like this. Genes provide the basic blueprint for a house, but the environment determines how that house is decorated, furnished, and lived in. Similarly, our genes provide the foundation for our physical and mental characteristics, but our environment influences how those characteristics are expressed and developed. So while our genes may provide the starting point, it's the interplay between our genes and our environment that makes us who we are. Section 9. Keep exploring the amazing world of genetics. Well, that's a quick tour of the incredible world of genes. From the basic structure of DNA to the complexities of gene expression, we've covered a lot of ground today. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. The field of genetics is constantly evolving, with new discoveries being made all the time. So keep asking questions, keep exploring, and never stop being curious about the amazing science that makes life possible. And remember, science rules. Science